I'm starving.
What?
I'm starving.
What?
I'm starving. It means that I'm very, very hungry.
I'm starving.
Oof, I am stuffed.
Stuffed?
Yes, I am stuffed. I am full. I have eaten too much. I am stuffed.
You're stuffed. Igloo, 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 igloo.
Wow. Oh, I'm bursting.
What?
I am bursting. I need to go to the toilets very soon. Oh, you know what, Jojo? I'm wrecked.
You're what?
I'm wrecked. It means I am more than tired. I am more than exhausted. I'm wrecked.
Oh, why so?
Well, because I just had a terrible day with some very nice students, but one of them is a real drama queen.
Oh, that's great.
No, that's not great. I mean, always too much. A real drama queen.
I love drag queens. They are so nice.
Oh yes, I like drag queens too. But I didn't say drag queen, I said drama queen.
What's the difference?
Well, it's completely different. A drama queen is someone who is overly reacting to everything, to anything. It's overly emotional. You know, like,
Oh my god, I can't believe it. Ah, that's crazy. Ah, oh my god, oh, poor me, poor, oh, that's over.
you see that?
Oh, yes.
Alright, that's a drama queen. Overly emotional and too much all day long.
But you know, there are lots of people like that.
Yes, people like that are a dime a dozen.
The what?
They are a dime a dozen. It means that, well, a dime a dozen, it means a lot. So people are a dime a dozen, and people like that are a dime a dozen. It means that people like that are, well, many. There are lots of people like that. All right. And although I tried to calm her down, my effort fell short.
Oh, did it hurt?
No, it didn't hurt. My effort fell short. It means that my effort, well, not enough. I didn't succeed. All right, my effort fell short, but that didn't hurt. All right. Okay. But it's so difficult to accept that. I mean,
Yes, that's life.
yeah, that's life. But sometimes it's just not so easy to go with the flow.
To go with what?
Go with the flow. Go with the flow, it means to accept things as they are. You see? Go with the flow. Accept things as they are.
Oh, yes. Not always very easy, but that's okay.
Yeah, I'm just so wrecked. I'm wondering if I'm not ill. That's crazy life.
Come on, you will soon recover.
Yeah, you're right. I must recover. Find the motivation and the energy and the pleasure. And you're right. I will be back on my feet.
But you are on your feet.
Yeah, I know, but it's another expression. To be back on my feet means to recover. You see? Right. And maybe we could help other people with idiomatic expressions, idioms, to sound better. And, oh yes, that's a good idea, don't you think? Oh yes! And maybe they could tell us if it helps, right?
Oh yes, let's go. Tell us if it helps you, people.
Yes.